Alright, there's a showers in the back. Alright, get ready. What the fuck? He's being stupid.
What? Not the best idea.
Red! Go! Not good. Saw's down.
Wiring out?
Yeah.
Hey, 249.
Yeah.
Let's just go back. Let them come to us. Most of them is wood line. And I don't want to fucking go in there. Run after them. Hey, go ahead. Go ahead.
My wiring's down.
Huh?
Wiring's down.
249?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still in the smoke. Alright, you're good. Go ahead. How's it going? Is it big?
Yeah, it's good now for at least 30 seconds.
What was wrong with it?
I just wiggled the wires.
Right there, in the houses.
Yeah.
Fuck. We don't have it covered the wood line too.
I had about 4 or 5 of them pinned in that house.
Yeah. I bet they're in the wood line. Anybody in the open field?
Should be one in the kill house to the right, but I don't see anybody.
Oh yeah, they're all the way over there. Right there.
Yeah, I see him.
Even.
Free reign to move up and around. Hey,
They're far, far.
LNG.
Yeah.
You can probably go up behind him in one of those kill houses. If you flank him from far left, you might be able to get him.
Alright, I'll start.
I'll roll with you.
We got one on the edge of the woods.
Alright. Just I think the left side, their left side wiggle too.
Hey, I know that Happy, older guy.
Yeah. What was your pop?
No. He's just old enough to be everyone's grandfather, so we call him Happy.
One is right. Two moving into the center field.
He likes to hide in bushes.
He must be the one leading them down there in the bushes too.
Yeah, that's his
So
idea.
they'll go up too. Alright. They're in that house now, right? Your head. Watch your head.
What?
Watch your head over there.
Uh-oh. Yep, right behind.
Oh, that's automatic too?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. See, that's no problem. This one. They need to put more in this side.
Yeah.
Covers. I can.
There we go again.
Hey, William.